My name's Mary Ellen. I've been coming here for 6+ years. I've had a lot done. I've had Botox. I've had my lips done. I've had the tripolar. The tripolar is my favorite though. That's what I've had, where it's like I had these lines, these deep marionette lines they call them, and they were driving me nuts. And I was concerned about them, and they were very deep. And we have before and after pictures where people can't even believe it. It was almost like a massage, like the the stones, the heat stones, like on your face. It felt that soothing. So then we're like, let's try different areas. So, and I'm not into like implants, nothing against that, but we tried a different area. So I was just like, okay, after 3 kids, we want a little bit lifted. So we tried it on my chest area. It rose the whole tighten of my chest 2.5 centimeters coming for that. And that was like a massage too, just getting on that. And it was just the tripolar, nothing invasive, very soothing, lifted it right up. My skin was like I was 19 again. The reason why I come here, first of all, the minute you walk in the door, there's a candle lit, there's candy there. Everybody knows you by name, and you feel like you're walking into a home. It's very opening. They take you right back. They talk to you during your treatments, and you honestly feel like you're part of a family here, and they want to know you and what are your concerns and what are you looking for, and that makes you feel more of one-on-one. It's not like you're just a number coming in and they're taking your money. You really feel like you're walking into a family. Walking out of here, I always feel 10 years younger, always. Absolutely. And then it's just like for a whole day, it's just like, my face, my face. People at work are always just like, what kind of foundation? Or they think it's my makeup. They have no idea it's the procedures that I go through here. They think it's my makeup. And then I have to explain everything because just the way it's so welcoming. And there's so many procedures that you can have here. It's not just limited to just injections or just this. Dr. Herberg is always up on the new thing, always. And the minute that they get something, they send you out an email and you're just like, come in for a consult and try it out or talk to us about it. That I love because he's not just like stuck in one rut doing something. It's what's new, and they send you out emails. This is what's going on. Come in and try it or talk about it. So it's good coming in. I would recommend this place to anybody. And why? It's because it's always a personal one-on-one thing. It's not like you come in and you get this treatment. You sit down, they look at your skin, they talk about what you're looking for. It's very one-on-one. You just feel like you're young and you just like walked out of a Hollywood spa. You really feel like you just walked out of a Hollywood spa. You feel that special and that important. And that's big in New Jersey. I can't thank the staff enough and Dr. Herberg and Sandy because they have made me feel like I'm the most important person coming in this door. Not anybody else, but I'm the most important. And for a woman coming to do anything, for them to make you feel like you're the most important person in their practice is unbelievable. That's priceless. If you haven't been to Tomorrow's Wellness Center, just step in and join the family.